I cannot mute. Good morning, ma'am.
I'll help you. Good morning. Very good morning. All of you, please switch on your videos, please.
Ma'am, I cannot mute.
Yeah, just a minute. All of you. Adidev, Shine, Manuel, Johan, please switch on your videos. Yes, yes. Very good. Yeah. So let's start.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Last class we discussed about certain maps, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have different types of map, map of India, map of our classroom, yeah, plan of our house, plan of hospital, yeah, different types of map with a key, right? Each map, they have a key. We use this key for our easiness to identify the country, to identify the things and all, isn't it? We already discussed about map of India, right? Yes? Yes, okay. So Nived, it's a question for you. Nived case.
Yes, ma'am.
Look here. What is this?
India.
Yeah, this is India, but something extra. What about our chapter name?
Map.
Map. So this is map of India, right? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you can mute. Next question for... Yes. Catherine. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a route map? Route map. Last class we discussed, no? Yes. Route map, anyone? Please raise your hand. Yeah,
Road map.
just a minute. Saharish, what is a route map?
A map showing with the key is called route map.
Map? It's not audible, dear.
A map showing with the key is called route map.
Okay, route map. Mainly we use this route map to find out the location, right? We are using the route map to reach your home, to reach a different place, yeah? To find out the location. That is route map, okay? Very good, very good. So, all of you, yeah, all of you, you are going to do an activity. Are you all ready? Yes? Yes, yes. All of you, please stand up. Please stand up. All of you, please stand up. Yes, yes. Abba, please stand up. All of you, yes, yes. Make it fast. Okay. Please raise your right hand. Please raise your right hand. Just your right hand. Yeah? Sure. Yeah. I'll help you to figure out this right and left. Yeah? Please show like this. Show like this. So which hand gives you the alphabet L? Look. Which hand gives you the alphabet L? Look your hand. Look your hand. One hand with the alphabet L. That is our left hand. Yeah? Which hand gives you the alphabet L? Show me. Alphabet L. Yeah, here is our L, right? This is the capital letter L, isn't it? This is our left hand. Now it's very easy, right? To identify the left and right. Yeah, the hand which shows the alphabet L, that is our left hand. Given? Nice activity, no? Yeah?
Yeah,
Yes. Very good. You can sit down. Pavin, where's your left hand?
Ma'am, super activity.
Super, right? Yeah. Now it's very easy to identify your left hand and right hand. The hand which shows this capital letter L, that is our left hand. Clear? Okay. Then who's going to shine? Look here. All of you look here. Okay.
Oh.
Can you show me something behind you?
What?
Sorry, Ivan, please mute. This is Shine. Just a minute. Shine, where is he? Yeah. Shine?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? Yes. Can you show me something behind you? Something behind? Just show me something behind. What is the meaning of behind? Yeah? Behind means? What about your curtains there? It's behind you, right? Yeah? Okay. Then, just a minute. Esther,
Ma'am.
can you show something in your left side? Show me something in your left side. A pen, pencil, pillow, anything. Anything in your left side. Show me. Yes,
Ma'am,
Aman?
door.
Esther, please
Yes,
show
ma'am.
me something left to you. Something left to you. Anything there?
Door.
Door. Okay. Fine. So look here. We commonly use these kind of words. Yeah, we use these kind of words, right? Left, right, behind, up, down. Yeah, to find out the small location or to find out small directions. But just imagine if you want to look or to find out the long or the big ones, what we do? We need some other directions, right? Yeah? Other than this left, right and all, for larger areas, we use different directions. That is our north, south, east and west. Yeah? Isn't it? We commonly use this left, right, up, down, straight and all for the normal directions. Abba, listen here. Abba. Yeah? Okay, listen here. But for larger areas, we use north, south, east and west. North, south, east and west. So let's watch a video, my dears. Yeah? You're going to learn about these directions. Okay, so learn the video carefully. Okay? Listen. Are you all ready to watch a video? Ivan? Yes? Yes. Okay, so please wait. Yeah? So we learned about 4 directions, right?
Yes.
Please stand up for me. Once again, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah? Today we are going to sing. Ivan, please stand up, okay? Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself, my dears. My dears, yes. Please mute yourself. You all are good. Yes. Okay? So where is our north? Here, right? North. Yeah? North. And south. Yeah? South. Then east and west. Okay? East and west. All of you, please. We have north, south, east and west. Okay? So you are going to sing. Yeah, Miva? Miva and Mivon? Sorry? Yes. Look, just a minute, dear. Just a minute. Look here. Just move back, move back, move back. Yeah? Look. Yes, look here. This is compass. This is compass. This is the instrument or the tool we use to find out these 4 directions. We learned about north, south, east and west, right? This is the instrument. We call it as compass. Fine, dear. Thank you.
Ma'am, if we get lost, we will use that.
Yes, we can use this to find out the directions. Yeah?
Yes.
So who's going to sing? Ivan, can you sing? North, south, east or west? Which direction do you like the best? Yeah? Which direction do you like the best?
I like north.
North, yes. Top, right? At top. Catherine, can you sing? All of you, please sing with me. Okay?
Because
All of you, please sing with me, my dears. Yes, yes. We are going to
north, south, east, and
east
west.
to west. Yeah.
Direction. East to west.
Yeah?
South.
Sing once again.
North, south, yes, east to west, north, south, east to
East
west,
to west. Which direction do you like the best, right? Yes. Look here, all of you. Look here. I'm going to draw something. I'm not good in drawing, okay? So please look here. Look here. I'm going to draw something. What is this?
Is this a happy hour or something?
No, no, this is not a happy hour. This is EVS 2 class, like a happy hour, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we are to mark north here. North. We have south here.
South,
Yes, we have east
East.
here
east, west,
and west here. Isn't it?
north,
Yes.
south, east.
One more time, one more time. I'm going to draw a plus here. So north at the
North,
top, south at the bottom, and
East
east
and
west.
west.
East and west are opposite to each other. Yeah? So, Renfred.
Yes.
So, what are the four directions we have?
North, south, east, and west.
Yes, so which direction do you like the best?
I like north.
North, yeah, very good. Okay, so for Aiden. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
which direction do you like the best?
North.
Why? Why north? What about east? This is a direction where sun rises, no? How many of you like east? Direction east? Yes, Miva. Why?
I like
East?
west.
Why? What's the reason? Actually, that's the direction where sun rises, no? Yeah, yes, very good. So, Shreya, so which is your favorite direction? Is it north, south, east, or west?
East.
East, okay. Then for Hadlin, right? Hadlin,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
is your favorite direction?
East.
East. Other than this north and east, anyone else with other preference? Yeah, Saharish. Just a minute, Saharish. Yeah, Saharish.
I like west.
Okay. She like west. Why?
West.
Actually, that's the direction where our sun set. No, sun set. The direction where sun set, that is west, and direction where sun rises, that's our east, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
I like to be.
Okay. So we are going to sing once again. All of you, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
First me, okay, then you. This is not a happy hour, okay? This is our EVS 2 class. We are learning about directions. Yeah? Yeah.
East.
First me, okay, then you. Okay? North, south, east or west. Which direction do you like the best? Action is also important. Look here, look here, look here. South, east or west. Look here. Once again, all of you. Look here, my dears. North, south, east or west? Which direction do you like the best? North, south, east or west? Which direction do you like the best? Okay? Who's going to sing? Yes. Yeah. You can start. You can start.
Next one more.
Okay. Now our Fida is going to sing. Fida, can you
Yes,
sing
ma'am.
for us? The direction song?
North or south, east or west? Which direction do you like?
Very good. Please clap for her. Please clap for her. Very good. Okay. So all of you, please take your rough book. We are going to draw something. Okay. Please take your rough book. Make it fast. Okay. Cult it fast. All of you, Jessica and all, please switch on your videos. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Are you all ready? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. 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 Anna, it's fine. Please settle down. Yes, she's dancing there. Look here, we are going to draw. Yeah. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. So please draw a line like this. No need of scale and all. Okay. Please draw a line like this. That's it. Nived, please. Finish? Yeah? Yeah. Then again a line like this. Okay. Ready? Okay. Then mark north here. North. North. We denote the north with the letter N, capital letter N. Finish? Agnel, finish? Fida? Yes, very good. Then we have south here. Bottom, south, S-O-U-T-H. We denote south with letter S. With letter S. Anna Maria? Sit down, my dear, and please draw. Okay? Finish, Shivan? Yeah? Make it fast, my dears. Okay? Then east. E A S T. E A S T. East. And we have west here. Finish? Good, Ivan. Okay? All of you, please finish. Finish your drawing. Agnes? Okay. All of you, please complete. Jessica? Yeah. Abigail? Finish, no? Yes? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. All of you, please show me. Show me your drawings. Yes. Yes. Adidev, it's really nice, Adidev. Then, yes. Agnel, what's the problem, dear? Agnel?
Ma'am, I not write the first one.
Sorry, dear, Agnel.
Ma'am, I not write the first one.
The note, no?
Ma'am, I write first note.
Please show me. I'll help you. Yeah, I'll show once again, okay? You can check the spelling and all. Agnel, okay? Agnel, yes, what's the problem, my dear? Yes.
Ma'am, you write the first one.
Which one, dear? This note, no?
Ma'am, this is this first one.
Yeah, we have north, south. Then please write east and west. A single drawing is enough, dear. A single place with all the north, east, west, and east. Now it's clear, right? Please check your spelling. North, that is north. We denote with the letter N. South, we denote with letter S. West, we denote with capital W. Then east, we denote with E. All the first letters. Yeah. Adidev? Any problem, dear Adidev? Where is he? Yeah, okay, very good. Shreya? Yeah, what's the problem, dear?
Ma'am, I have a watch and I'm going to where I wear the watch and it shows that it's northwest and now it's complete.
Okay, that's a compass, right? Okay, all of you please close your book, okay? Close your books. It's over, yeah. Yeah, Rohan, it's nice. Close your books, okay? Andrea. Andrea?
I am on my mom's house. I don't bring my book.
No problem. We have north here, right? North. Then we have south. Then we have east and west. That's it, okay? Is it clear? Yeah, Aiden, it's nice. Having, yeah, all of you close your books. Yes, yes. Okay? Yeah. Look here. This is the easy way to identify your left hand. Okay? So we have north here, south here, east and west. Is it clear for you, my dears? Okay. So, what about this one? This is compass, okay? This is compass. This is a tool we use to identify the directions. Compass is a tool or an instrument. Instrument means a tool to figure out the directions. So who's going to read? Anna Maria, can you read?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you read yourself, okay? Yeah.
A compass is an instrument used to show the four directions.
Look, so this instrument means tool. It's a tool. We have lots of tools, right?
Yes.
We have pen. This is a tool to write. Yes? We have pencil. Pencil is a tool to draw. We have scale. It's a tool for drawing. Isn't it? Like this, compass is an instrument or compass is a tool to show the 4 directions. Yes, you can continue reading, dear.
A compass is an instrument used to show the 4 directions: north, south, east, or west.
Yes. So north and south, they are opposite to each other. East and west are again opposite to each other. Then I need Miva. Miva is here. Miva, just a minute. Where is she? Can't figure out. Jessica, can you read, my dear?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Jessica, read the slide.
compass
Hmm.
is an
Hmm.
instrument
Hmm.
used to show the 4 directions.
Yes. So I'll repeat once again, okay?
Yes,
A compass
a compass
is an
is an
instrument
instrument
used to
used to the
4 directions.
4 directions.
Very good. Very good, Jessica. Very good. All of you, please clap.
Thank you.
Clap. Yes. Very good, Jessica. It's really wonderful. Yes. So, Jessica, this compass is just a tool. Yeah. Compass is just a tool that shows us the directions. Okay. You can easily find out where is your north, south, and all. So, can I give a homework for you? Okay. So, please ask your parents and figure out where is your north, south, east, and west. Okay.
Okay,
Your
ma'am.
home. Is it fine?
Yes.
Ask your parents and figure out. Next class, I'll ask you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we already know that east is the place where sun rises and west is the place where sun set. Okay.
Okay.
So please identify where is this east and west in your home and also ask your parents to find out where is north and south. Is it fine? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So all of you please read your textbook and learn direction. It's in page number 21, first paragraph. Okay. So please learn what is directions and 4 directions and compass for next class. Okay. We have 4 direction, north, south, east and west. Compass is a tool or instrument we used. For next class, please learn what is directions and compass. Okay. So once again, north, south, east or west. Which direction do you like the best? Yeah. Shy. Isn't it? Yes. Okay. So let me take your attendance. Okay. Please wait. Thank you so much, my dears. You can leave. Okay. So take care and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.